Guys, beat the heat with this neck fan by Morelax. The full charge time takes around 3 hours. Speed max output of 4100 RPM. Looking at the specs, it does have a good power output. Simple to use, but make sure to follow the instructions and precautions. Do not place this in a high temperature environment above 60 degrees Celsius. Built-in 4000 mAh battery, that's near enough a smartphone battery these days. You'll get a Type-C charge cable. If you're happy with it, recommend it. First impressions, yes, they do look like headphones, but the design and the colour on this is beautiful. Blue with rose gold, and there are other colours available too. Power switch with 3 modes of fan power. On both sides are air inlets. Inside, the blades are made out of plastic for safety reasons. Around the neck fan are outlet air vents. And it's kind of retractable too. Make sure to charge fully at this Type-C charge slot. It's super lightweight, so it won't place any stress on your neck. Best to carry a power bank to charge it up while you're out. Make sure the air outlet vents are facing outwards and simply place it on your neck. If you have a beard like me, well, I had no issues of any hair trying to get trapped in the fan. You can hardly hear it as the fan is super quiet. Cools me down quicker if I have it on my head. Anyway guys, remember, safety comes first. So if you're looking to cool down wherever you go, then grab these neck fans. I'll leave a link in the description below to grab yours. Stay cool, peace.